Hi, I want to show you a tool I created for converting CSV to QAF file. So, for example, if I have a CSV file with data I need to import into Quicken or convert to QAF file, and for example, I have this my band data CSV, and you can see this is like CSV file with all data in it. So I can download my tool on my computer. I double click on this is my website. I will link in the description. To download tool, I double click on download button and wait until tool will be downloaded. So click on archive and double click on MSI. Click on more info. Run anyway. Click on next install. And basically this will install tool on my computer. I can close this. And you can see there is a shortcut on my desktop. I double click on shortcut. Now, conversion is like a 3 steps process. First step, I select CSV file, my band data CSV is okay. And on this step, I have to map data I have columns into my CSV file to QAF columns. So here is QAF for columns, and I have to, and here is columns from CSV file, because first row of CSV file contains column names, and this is why I have this checked checkbox, meaning like read column names from first line of CSV file. Then I can change amount to amount, status, map status to clear status, PE column to number column to number, PE column to PE, memo column to memo, and category column to category. Click on next and just run conversion. And it will create QIF file. I can change name if I want. I will leave it as it is. Yes, QAF, just hit save and file will be saved. Now I can import like multiple files, add here, select more files, add it here, and at the end I will be asked for a folder, and files will be placed into this folder, and the name of output file will be the same as the name of input file, with datetime added to it. So this is how it works. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you. That's it. Thank you.